Общински спортен уикенд Бургас 2023.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Днес се провежда и фестивал на актьорската култура, също със съдействието на община Бургас, за да ги аплодираме.
I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to
станете част от изяществото, феерията и красотата на спортните танци, заповядайте в Младежки дом, където може да запишете своето дете, а пък и по-възрастните също имат групи и за тях. Там ще ви очакват треньорите Андрей Тодоров, Анастасия Тодорова, Наталия Велисиян.
much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Спортен карате клуб Кьокушин Спирите. Град Бургас с инструктор, двукратната световна и трикратна европейска шампионска на ката и многократна Емил Костов. Него членуват над 70 каратеки от различни възрастови групи, сред които световни, европейски, балкански и републикански шампиони. Спортен център Аякс, на това са техни представители Кангoo Jump.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots.
Както всички знаете, Катар, комите и днес ще ви представя възможност да се насладите на уменията на тези малки хора.
I'm always working. It's like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Shoot! Hut! Go! Go!
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?